Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix the TikTok call option not showing. So if you don't have the call button in your TikTok messages yet, follow along step by step to see how you can get it. Alright, let's dive in. First, open the TikTok app on your phone. Now tap the inbox option at the bottom of the screen. Next, open the chat with the person you want to call. If the call feature is available on your account, you should see a call option at the top right corner of the chat. If you don't see it, the first thing you need to do is make sure your TikTok app is fully updated. So go to the Google Play Store if you're using Android, or the App Store if you're using an iPhone. Search for TikTok, and if you see an update button, tap on it, and wait for the app to finish updating. Once the update is complete, tap Open to go back into TikTok. Now tap Inbox again at the bottom. Open the conversation with the person you want to call and check the top right corner to see if the call option is available. There's also another important requirement. In general, you and the person you want to call need to be following each other on TikTok, so you need to follow them and they need to follow you back. If you open their chat and don't see the call icon, check whether they're actually following you back. Once you've both followed each other and the feature is available, go back to the chat and tap the phone icon in the top right corner to make the call. If you still don't see the call button after updating TikTok, don't worry. This is because the calling feature is still relatively new and TikTok is rolling it out gradually. So even if you have the latest version of TikTok, the feature might not be available on your account yet. In this case, you may simply need to wait a few hours or even up to 24 hours and then check your messages again. And that's it. If the TikTok call option is not showing, make sure your app is updated, check your messages again, and if the feature still isn't available, give TikTok some time to roll it out to your account. There may be nothing wrong with your phone or your app, the feature simply may not be available to you yet. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel for more TikTok tips and tricks.